Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about sampling distribution. Now, the key word for sampling distribution is actually the ing, sampling. So there is a difference between a sample and a sampling distribution. So let me give you an example. Let's say we know that 60% of people like to eat ice cream. So we would call that a proportion, P, and that would be considered a population proportion. In other words, out of all the people, 60% enjoy ice cream. Now, let's say I wanted to take a sample of 100 people, so my N would be 100, and out of those 100 people, I asked them if they enjoyed eating ice cream. It wouldn't be a surprise to find that maybe 50% enjoy eating ice cream. That would be just one sample. So let's say on a number line, we have that 60% of people, and I would put that here as 0.6, representing the population of all people who like to eat ice cream. That would be 0.6. And my first sample, I find that 50% of people enjoy eating ice cream. So my sample is called a p hat. So my first sample of people like, let's say, 50%. Then I take another sample and I find from that sample out of 100 people, 70% enjoy eating ice cream. And I do this over and over and over again. And so I could end up with some samples here and some samples here. And obviously, not all the samples will have the same outcome. But if we do this many, 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 many times, this is where our sampling comes in. So after we do this many times, take many samples of 100 people, we find that we end up with something that resembles some type of normalish curve. In other words, our population mean is 60%. When we take many, 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 many samples, mean proportion will resemble the mean of the population.